Welcome to video lecture. Myself Ashwini R.K., Civil Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see about the types of fluid flow. Types of fluid flow. The different types of fluid flows are steady and unsteady flows, uniform and non-uniform flows, laminar and turbulent flow, compressible and incompressible flows, rotational and irrotational flows, 1, 2 and 3 dimensional flows. Steady and unsteady flows. A flow in which the fluid characteristics like velocity, pressure, density, etc. at a point do not change with time is known as steady flows. Unsteady flow. The flow in which the fluid velocity, pressure or density at a point changes with respect to time is known as unsteady flow. Uniform and non-uniform flow. A flow in which the velocity at a given time does not change with respect to space, length of direction of the flow is known as uniform flow. Non-uniform flow. The flow in which the velocity at any time changes with respect to space is known as non-uniform flow. Laminar and turbulent flows. The laminar flow is a flow in which the fluid particles moves along a well-defined path or streamlines. Turbulent flow is a flow in which the fluid particles moves in a very irregular paths or zigzag way. Here the velocity at point fluctuates. This type of flow is known as turbulent flow. Compressible and incompressible flows. Compressible flows, the flows in which the density of the fluid changes from point to point. The density is not constant for the fluid. Incompressible flow. The flow in which the density of fluid changes from point to point. The density is constant for the fluid. Rotational and irrotational flows. Rotational flow is a flow in which the fluid particles while flowing along the streamlines also rotate about their own axis. Irrotational flow is a flow in which the fluid particles while flowing along the streamline do not rotate about their own axis. 1, 2 and 3 dimensional flows. The flow in which the flow parameters such as velocity is a function of time and one space coordinate only is known as one-dimensional flow. The flow in which the velocity is a function of time and space, two rectangular space coordinate is known as two-dimensional flow. Three-dimensional flow is a flow in which the velocity is a function of time and three mutually perpendicular direction. Thank you.